Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to everyone in this today's session. And today we are going to see proposal writing part 2. Okay, we are going to see the proposal writing part 2. Before that, a very prosperous and delighted Diwali to all of you. Okay, may God fulfill your all demands and your wishes, your desires, and bring your life towards your aim, as well as God will also bless on your family. So with this good and aromatic environment, let's start our today's fresh topic of English grammar. Okay, that is proposal writing part 2. Now, why I'm making this part 2? I have already posted the proposal writing, isn't it? Why I'm doing it again? Because right now we have seen that there's slight difference, slight change. Okay, there's a slight change in your proposal writing format. Not very much, but the slides. Okay, there's a slight change in your proposal writing, but if you have learned that previous one which I have posted, it's okay, don't worry. That will be that will be allowed by the that is allowed by the council. Okay, the marks will not deduct from if you write that one as well. Okay, no one will cut your mark, no one will eliminate your marks, but you should know the second format which is which has come to exist to existence right now. Okay, you have to know that format as well. Okay, so let's see, and with the help of a question I'm going to tell you what is that format. If you have learned that one, well and good, but please learn this as well. Okay, because if you write this one, this looks more fancy and more formal. Okay, this will look more formal and more polite, so you have to write means if you want, please according to me write this one part 2. Okay, and rest upon you whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's read the question for the proposal writing. So the question says, as the member of the students wing of RWA, okay, of your apartments, you have been given the responsibility of organizing conserve electricity campaign in your colony. Write a proposal in not more than 150 words stating the steps you would take successfully organize this event. Now, what you have to do, what will be your heading? First of all, let's understand what are the sorry, let's understand what are the points like heading. Okay, then you are having the that one objectives, then list of measures. Okay, then requirements, then budgetary requirements, then last may you have to write a small summary of heading, isn't it? This is the format, and at the last you have to write your name, then your destination, not destination but your your like your company name, or your what you are from where you are you have came, like you have came from RWA. Okay, wing of RWA, so you have to write the member of a RWA wing like this. So you have to write your company name which to which you are a member of. Okay, so you have to write that company name. Suppose I am the member of the students wing of RWA of your apartment, so you have to write student of RWA. Okay, so this is a format, a easy peasy format I have told you. Now let's see, and let's read the first. Let's read the question again. That as the member of the students wing of the RWA of your apartments, you have been given the responsibility of organizing conserve electricity campaign in your colony. Write a proposal in not 150 and this is all. Okay. Now let's see. First of all, heading. As I told you, heading must have. You have to write heading first. Okay, with black pen, isn't it? You have to write heading with black pen. Then you have to write to organize the electricity. हम कर क्या रहे हैं, जो काम हम कर रहे हैं वो लिखना है हमें, ठीक है? To organize the electricity conserve in our society. Okay, so this is the heading. So this is your heading. You have to write this heading. It is also known as introduction. Okay, then you have to write objective. Means what is your aim? What you want to do? Okay, what do you mean by objectives? Objectives. Objectives means what things you want to tell. Okay, what things you want to intimate, that you have to write is the objectives. So suppose your question is let's read the question first. Your question is, you have to read question again so that you do not deviate from the question. Okay, because this we have seen that children might they deviate from the question if they don't read the question. So you have to read the question, but just in a very rapid way. Okay, so you have to what you are giving a responsibility for organizing and conserving electricity. So what you need to write, you have to write in the objectives that how you can save the electricity, how you can conserve the electricity. Okay, how you can save the electricity. So for that you need to tell the point that how we can conserve this the electricity. This depends on your own intelligence and on your own thoughts, how you used to ponder the things. This depends on this. Okay, you have to ponder the points that how we can conserve the electricity. Okay, so suppose if you have to establish a dance competition, so what things you need required. Okay, what things you need required, that you have to write in the objectives. Means what are the aim, what is the objective, so that you need to write. So suppose for electricity conserve, you should apply solar panels. Okay, you should apply solar panels to use solar energies rather than electricity, isn't it? Next, we should avoid to use high voltage appliance so that they can be minimum use of electricity. Okay, we should apply the high voltage we should apply the low voltage appliance, okay, which consume less electricity, so that there would be no wastage of electricity. Okay, maximum you could write 2 to 3 points, not more than that. Okay, just you need to write a minimum 2 points. Okay, because it is of 2 marks. After that you have to write list of measures. What do you mean by list of measures? List of measures, what are your requirements, what do you want to what you need to establish this particular event or occasion. Okay, so suppose list of measures, you have to write like this include the following measures. Like this you have to put the heading, same here. Okay, same here you have to write this include the following objectives. Like this you have to apply the headings, this is must. Okay, then you have to write the event will held on 20, see this is very important, on 20 November 2023 from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. at Gandhi ground. What is this? This is your date, this is your time, and this is your venue. Venue means the location, the place, the particular destination, what you want, where you want to establish that particular thing. Okay, so you, make sure you do same as I have done. Just you have to remember this format. Say what you do. Don't memorize the thing. Don't mumble the thing. Just you learn one format. Okay, just you learn one format and do changes according to that. Okay, do your own changes. You are now a big children, isn't it? You are in 11th class. So now you can alter the points according to you. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to learn one format which I'm providing you. Suppose you learn this, because this is the correct format. In your book the budgetary requirements or requirements are not given, so this is the perfect format for proposal writing. So what you do, you learn this proposal writing and do changes according to you. If they were establishing a dance club, do like this. If they are establishing a Jew in your colony, do changes according to that. Okay, if they are like establishing a big gate of near like a big gate at the like rampart of your colony. So do according to that. You have to change by yourself because question can come from any corner of the world. Okay, कहीं से भी question आ सकता है from any corner of the world. The question can come. So you have to change according to that. कहाँ तक याद करोगे proposal? There are multiple proposal you cannot learn, you cannot memorize, you can mumble them even. Okay, you have to learn but form it and do changes according to that. Okay, I hope. So let's see the list of measures. I have told you this date, time, venue. Okay, then what things you required? What are the particular things you need for establishing this thing, particular event? This is the thing. Like you have to provide a hall to set up the event, then arrange tools and equipments used for the electricity conserve. Okay, then arrange a specialist who is well versed with electricity and their wiring and all the things. You have to call that specialist to tell the significance of electricity. Okay, that how electricity is very crucial to our life. We should not waste it. Okay, so this is your list of measures and these all are the points which you need to include in this. Okay. Next, let's read the participants. Who are participants? Who are participating in this particular occasion or event? So obviously, if in the question there is written as the member of your RWA wing. So who are you member? You are a student, isn't it? You are the student. You are a student of a school. So you need to write all the students will be the participants. All the students will be the participants on this event. Like this, you need to write the participants. Then requirements you have to write. This tells a space. Okay, these things ये मैंने जो space बना रखी है इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको एक लाइन छोड़ के लिखना है ये सब, ठीक है? Then requirements, as I told you, that what things you need, what things you require to establish that particular thing. So we need a huge ground where we can accommodate maximum number of people. A table, chair, microphone are also required for this event. Like this you have to write, like this. It is very easy to fetch full marks in proposal writing. It is very easy. Just you need to remember the points. Okay, thus you need to remember that hierarchy which is told by your teacher. That first you have to write heading, then objectives, then you have to write list of measures, then requirements, then budgetary requirements. Like this, you have to learn the points. Okay, participant is you could say it is a minor category. It can come or it cannot come. Okay, so after requirements, what things you required for this event? What things you require for this event? After this, you need to write the budgetary requirements. See, this requirement and budgetary requirements are very confusing, but I am going to tell you a trick. Requirements means what things you required. क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको चाहिए उस इवेंट को मतलब ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए होता है. ऑब्वियसली टेबल, चेयर, माइक्रोफोन. ओके, और आप चाहें तो आप एक like there's a carpet, you can need the carpet, curtains, okay, lights, okay, and fans. ये सारी requirements होती है generally. Okay, and फिर आपको budgetary requirement में आपको एक शब्द दिखाई दे रहा होगा budget. Okay, ये आपको एक शब्द दिखाई दे रहा होगा budget. ओके, बजट का मतलब क्या होता है? हम कहते नहीं यार मेरे पास इतना बजट है, उसके दैट इज हैविंग दैट दिस अबाउट ऑफ बजट. बजट मीन्स द अबाउट विच यू हैव. Okay, so budgetary requirements means the amount which you required. Requirements का मतलब क्या होता है? Required, need. Okay, need. And budget means the price, the rupee. Okay, the price which you need to establish this particular occasion or event, that is known as budgetary requirements. Easy peasy, simple squeezy. And budgetary requirements means the price which you need to establish the particular event. So if you have arranged by yourself, means you have contributed, if you have arranged all the budgets and all the prices by yourself, well and good. Means you are having your whole school has like arranged that particular price, well and good. Or if you want to take the rupee from the society, okay, the contribution of society, if you want to take, so that is known as the budgetary requirements. Okay, suppose you are having a magic show in your school, so who will give you money? Your own students. Okay, so that is known as budgetary requirements is not required, because you are taking, you are giving rupee by yourself for the magic show, isn't it? Hence no budgetary requirement is required. But if there is a occasion, there is a event in the society, as I given you, sorry, I have given you this, I have told you this hall, providing a hall to set up a club, okay, and this one. I have told you we required a huge ground where we can accommodate a number of people. This one, this line. It's mean that we need a ground from from the city, isn't it? From the city, like Gandhi ground in my area. There's a Gandhi ground, so I need that Gandhi ground. I'm not taking my own school ground. ओके मैं अपने स्कूल का ग्राउंड नहीं ले रहा हूँ, मैं गांधी ग्राउंड मीन्स अपने सोसाइटी का ग्राउंड ले रहा हूँ. सो फॉर सोसाइटी सिंस आई एम टेकिंग देयर ग्राउंड, सो सोसाइटी विल ऑल्सो सी द इवेंट. सो सिंस सोसाइटी सी दिस इवेंट, he they will see this occasion, so they have to contribute in this event. For contributing they have to give some money. So this is called a budgetary requirement, because the society also involved here to give the money. Okay, hence here the budgetary requirement is needed now. But if that occasion is in our own school, so only the children of the school will contribute in this amount. Hence no budgetary requirement is required. I hope this is clear to you, है ना? Okay, so this is the meaning of requirements and budgetary requirements. So since we have organized all the things from ourselves, इस तरीके से लिखोगे देखो, क्योंकि हमने सारी चीज़ें अपने आप ही ऑर्गेनाइज कर ली है, हमने आप ही सब कुछ कर लिया है, इसलिए कोई भी अमाउंट नहीं चाहिए फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी. नो अमाउंट इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी फंड्स, since we have done all the preparation by ourselves. Hence no amount is required, no price is required from the society fund. And here you are completed with your proposal writing headings. अब क्या करना है, जैसे कि मैंने बताया लास्ट में आपको 3 to 4 लाइन्स का, नॉट 3 to 4 इवन 2 to 3 लाइन का एक लिंग्विस्टिक एबिलिटी लिख देनी है आपको, एक लिंग्विस्टिक पैराग्राफ लिख देना है आपको, वो आपको लिखना है. ठीक है, 3 to 4 लाइन का, मैक्सिमम 2 to 3 लाइन का, 4 नहीं 2 to 3 लाइन्स का होता है. ठीक है, सो एट द लास्ट यू हैव टू राइट अ स्मॉल पैराग्राफ. वो पैराग्राफ कहाँ से होना चाहिए, आपकी हेडिंग से ही होना चाहिए. ओके, आपकी हेडिंग से ही होना चाहिए कि हमें क्या फ़ायदा हुआ. तो we hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the electricity can be conserved in the society as soon as possible. ओके, मीन्स हम आशा करते हैं कि हमारा प्रपोजल जो है वो आप तक पहुँचे और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को जल्द से जल्द कंजर्व किया जाए. हम प्रपोजल किसे देते हैं, मैंने क्या बताया था प्रपोजल का मतलब? प्रपोजल का मतलब टू प्रपोज एनीथिंग. और हम किसके सामने ये अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को प्रपोज करेंगे? टू आवर हायर अथॉरिटीज़. ओके, to the to the like higher authority of electricity. Okay, to the higher authority of this particular thing. Okay, so here your proposal writing adds up. At the last, you have to write your name. Suppose your name is Ram, Shyam, Mohan, Geeta, like this. You have to write your half name, not write full name. Like your name is Geeta Singh, so don't write your full name Geeta Singh. Only write Geeta, your original name. Don't write your surname. Okay, suppose your name is Shahrukh Khan, so write your Shahrukh, write your original name, don't write the surname. Okay, and your destination. Destination means your position. What is your position in the means since you are writing a proposal, so you will be a very renowned personality, or you will be a headman or head girl of the proposal, okay, of that particular, like, sorry, not proposal, of that particular wing. Okay, so that's why you are writing the proposal, because you are the head boy or head girl of that wing, isn't it? So you are the student of RWA wing, you are one of the student of the RWA wing. This is your destination, and here your proposal adds up. I hope your proposal is clear to you, and this is the correct like format for writing the proposal writing. If you write like this, I bet that not even half mark, not even a 0.5 mark will be deducted if you write same as I have written, as I have told you. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys, I hope the proposal is clear to you. Bye guys, have a good day, and if you love this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and share, and press the bell icon. Bye guys, have a